Hey friends, if you wish to turn Bing Safe Search off, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, a lot of users are saying that they are unable to turn off Bing Safe Search. Now, here's the case. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, go to manage extensions, and disable any extension which can cause safe search or browser controls. Okay, so this is how it is done. And the same goes for Microsoft Family Safety. If you have that Family Safety app, if you have that, then you have to disable that one as well. I simply uninstall that app because see, if that app is installed on your system, you will not be able to do anything. Okay, so just disable these extensions and restart the browser. If that helps, well and good. If that doesn't help, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and then you can select this option here which says reset settings, restore settings to the default value, and then reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.